enjoyed the Form 1. In Form 2, you will learn a lot about environmental hygiene, laundry work, nutritional disorders, seams, body measurements, pattern symbols and markings, and finally, consumer education. The surrounding in which we live in is known as the environment. It is important to keep our surroundings clean so as to prevent illnesses and the spread of diseases. Drainage is the removal of water from houses and buildings, such as rainwater and wastewater. Stagnant water around houses and buildings is a health hazard. It is therefore important to draw it away appropriately. There are different types of drainage, which include free drainage, open drainage, and concealed drainage. Free drainage is a method of disposing water anywhere in the compound. Open drainage is a method of disposing water by directing it into gutters or a simple trench dug on the ground. The trench can also be well constructed with materials such as cement, plastic, or metal. In this type of drainage, water is drawn away from the house through pipes and covered drains. Communicable diseases are those that are easily passed on from person to person or from host to person. A host refers Malaria is caused by a parasite which is spread by the Anopheles mosquito. Typhoid is caused by a bacteria found in urine or feces. Cholera is caused by a bacteria found in contaminated water and food. Dysentery is caused by protozoa or amoeba found in human feces. Scabies is caused by mites found in places where there is poor personal hygiene. Bilharzia is caused by parasitic snails found in fresh water. Ringworms are caused by fungi, which affects the skin. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria, which affects different parts of the body, such as the lungs. One common transmission mode of dysentery, typhoid, and cholera is through contaminated water. The following are the signs and symptoms of dysentery, cholera, and typhoid. Signs and symptoms of dysentery: severe abdominal pains, fever, nausea, loss of appetite, diarrhea, and dehydration. Signs and symptoms of cholera: violent vomiting, acute diarrhea, severe abdominal pains, and dehydration. This is how you prevent and control dysentery, cholera, and typhoid. Practice proper disposal of human waste. Treat water for domestic use. Observe proper hygiene practices. And ensure regular medical checkups for food handlers. Some skin diseases are contracted through body contact, improper hygiene, and by sharing personal items. These include scabies and ringworms. Scabies is a skin disease which manifests itself in form of rashes which form blisters and sores. The signs and symptoms of scabies are itchy skin and rashes which form blisters and sores. This is a skin disease which manifests itself in form of whitish round ring or rings on the infected area. Signs and symptoms of ringworms include itching of the infected areas, whitish round ring or rings on the infected area, and loss of hair on the infected area. In order to prevent and control skin diseases, one needs to practice personal hygiene, avoid sharing personal items such as combs, clothes, and many others. Disinfect or sterilize personal items occasionally. Seek medical attention.